Hey guys, Eric here, and we've got a brand new product from Bestway. This is the Bestway H2OGO Beach Bounce Funhouse, and it is fast inflatable. Comes with a pump and everything you need to set it up. Even though it's fall out here in Arizona, we're still getting 90-degree plus days, and so it's time for some fun in the sun. We're gonna get this set up and let the kids play. So you guys just saw the setup of the Bestway H2OGO Beach Bounce House, fast inflatable. It was super easy to do. It only took about 10 minutes to actually set up, and it took less than 2 minutes to inflate. The water portion we don't have hooked up right now. If you're a water conscious person and you live in one of the states that's experiencing a drought, you may not want to hook up the water part. That's okay, you can fill up this little section with balls, like my wife's doing right there. You could even put sand if you want, but that would be hard to clean up. I think turning this into a ball pit's a good idea. The bounce house is fun. Looks like the kids are having a great time. As you guys know, I love Bestway products. Bestway was the company that made our Salu Spa portable inflatable hot tub. And for those eagle-eyed viewers, you'll notice that the hot tub is gone. That's not because the product is broken or anything. That's just because it's time to upgrade. And that's for a future video coming along. Till then, this is the Bestway H2OGO Beach Bounce House Fast Inflatable. This retails for $165 on Amazon right now. I think that's a sale price though. I believe the regular price is around $230. You can find it in Targets. I've seen them there, and I've seen them in Walmart as well. This one was from Amazon though. It looks like the kids are having a lot of fun. Please like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Thank you for joining me for this video.